Welcome to this video. If you're looking to make money online, specifically using AI to provide services and make it super fast, then you are in the right place. And in this video I'm going to show you a wall that I ran into. I'm going to tell you about it now, and I'm going to show you the solution as well. So if you're interested in this stuff, do give me a subscribe. I'm going to be showing lots of real case studies showing how to make money with AI and how to make money online and how to get past roadblocks like this one I'm going to show you in the video. If you're interested in seeing the first video where I actually set up this Fiverr gig with AI completely, you can check that out. I'll link to this video in this one, so you'll be able to see that or check out my most recent videos. So let's get straight into the video. I thought I could just scale this AI side hustle by running ads, but Fiverr has completely blocked me. No ads, no scaling, nothing allowed, and I'll show you why in just a second. And the worst part is you don't really find this out until after you set everything up. So this is what stops a lot of people, because you go and do the stuff and then you're like, oh my god, there's a block, I'm not going to be able to get going. So let's go straight into it and the solution, and I'll show you how Fiverr blocked me as well. So you can see on your screen, here's the gig, here's the good news. It's had 10 impressions since I set it up yesterday, but this gig is 10 impressions and it is quite high priced. I was going to load up the gig, but just it costs around starting from about £100 because I've set it up on the UK one, going up from there, and complete sales funnel with landing page and email automation. But here's the wall that I ran into. When we go over here to growth and marketing, you can see level overview, and we all know that Fiverr do levels, and quite rightly so, but because I've set myself up as a new seller for this experiment, you can see here level 1, you need to have a success score of 5, a rating of 4.4, a response rate of 80%, and 5 orders, and earnings of £314 with 3 clients. And the thing is, you have to get to level 1 before you can run Fiverr ads. So that stops you, because now you're relying on just the traffic from Fiverr. The other way you could do it is promote it yourself and go to Reddit and go all around the web. But to be honest with you, if you're going to do that, I think you'd be better with a landing page, because essentially you're promoting the service yourself. So what's the fix? What I'm going to do is I am going to create some cheaper offers. So when we go up here and we go to the gigs, I've got one gig here, and here it is. What I'm going to do is create some cheaper services to get the ball rolling and get those 5 orders in. So over the next few days I'm going to create 5 or 6 or as many as it will let me that are connected but aren't the same thing, so not like spammy offers, but the main aim is to create some cheaper offers that do something specific, maybe write them a converting email or give them a landing page appraisal, stuff like that. I will update here when I do it and do another video so you can actually see the results. And this is the fix. We're still getting, the good news is we've had 10 impressions from Fiverr traffic, but if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 offers here that are a bit cheaper, that are really good, all stuff that I can deliver with AI, now I'm going to get traffic through, and the plan is that it's a cheaper offer, so I can get those orders in, and then from there what I'm going to do is promote the main offer, the high price one, through Fiverr ads. So join me, do like, do subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I want to show you lots of different income streams with AI, and I will update on this one. If you're interested in making money with AI and you just want to get started yourself and you don't want to watch through a whole load of YouTube videos, do check out the AI income operating system. That's my course, and you will see it in the description. That course is developed through income streams that I've actually built over the last 20 years, but the cool thing is it's using AI for all of them. So do check out that course, it will really help you if you want to get going. So that's the plan for the next few days. I will update early next week with all the services on, the cheaper services, and I will let you know progress. So join me for this. It's going to be fun. I've got more planned as well. I'm going to show you lots of stuff to do with income streams using AI. I've got some more income streams to show you. So yeah, I'd really appreciate you being along with me. If you want to make money and you don't want to do all the hard work and think, oh, is this all a waste of time? Watch me do it. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and looking forward to showing you all these services so you can see, okay, let's get some impressions and clicks and orders in. Alright guys, have a good day, have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.